Here we have a 69 plate BMW 330e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes to the M Sport Plus package. We do have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brakes just behind. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, LED headlights. We also have the gloss black front grills and front splitter. There's a look at the front end. We have the full M Performance kit on this vehicle, so making our way around to the passenger side, you find the side skirts along the bottom. We have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. We have the shark fin antennae up top, and we do also have the rear spoiler lip as well just here on the tailgate. We have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside and a reversing camera as well. We also have the dual exit exhaust with the rear diffuser. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look then at the interior, so taking a look at the back first, you find we have the full black leather interior. We have the M Sport style seat belts, fixed ISO points and also the foldable armrests back here. Ambient lighting on the doors. We have the climate control in the centre for the rear passengers. We also have the electric windows as well. Same full leather interior at the front. Both front seats are heated. We have the electric power folding mirrors, electric windows which are locked for the rear, automatic lights and the automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shifters on either side. We have the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake and press the start button, the vehicle will turn on for us. We've got the speed limiter and the cruise control just here on the left hand side, and we are free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard other than letting us know about the fuel range, so nothing to worry about. We have the main infotainment screen in the centre, currently showing the sat nav. Now this is touchscreen, so press onto home, then you can see all the options that we have just here. We also have the shortcuts down here, so if you click onto the media, then you find the radio stations just there. Got the Bluetooth audio. We also have the Bluetooth phone connectivity. We have the apps that are currently installed on the vehicle, along with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. If we go onto the home, go onto car, onto the settings, you find the interior ambient lighting just here. Plenty of colours which you can go through. So for example, click onto orange, then you can see the lights will change to orange. We also have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down you find the 3-zone climate control, got the heated seats on either side and the ice cold air conditioning as well. We also have the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes, so the adaptive drive mode, we have the electric, hybrid and also the sport drive mode which has the extra boost or just the standard sport mode just there. Put the car into reverse, then you find the reversing camera with the parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park. We do also have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button. Leather armrest in the centre which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.